Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean a clogged steam iron. If you use starch a lot, your steam iron will get clogged very easily. It may happen over a couple of years, or it may happen every couple of weeks. It depends on how much you iron, obviously. The good thing is it's very easy and inexpensive to clean out your steam iron when it's clogged. What you want to do is find the little reservoir hole and fill the reservoir a quarter of the way with pure vinegar. Vinegar is so good for cleaning anything, especially things that are clogged. If your faucet has a lot of hard water stains or calcium buildup, it's really good for unclogging and cleaning anything. Next, after you've filled it a quarter of the way with the vinegar, you want to turn it on the medium setting, which on this iron looks like it's between number 5 and number 4. And you want to get a white cloth. You want to spray and iron this white cloth and keep doing this until the reservoir is empty. When it's empty, get some distilled water and fill the reservoir up with the distilled water. Next, you want to spray and iron the cloth again a few times, but then grab either a cookie rack or a broiling pan like this and just set it on top, hold the button down so that the steam spray part is opened, and just let all that water run through and let it come out. You may have to repeat these steps, but this will unclog your steam iron. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you unclog a steam iron.